Hello, my name is David Kern, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I've been a test pilot since 2008. I've been involved with a wide range of military and civil projects. I've tried to bring a lot of those lessons, a lot of those themes together and summarize it for somebody who is new to the flight test industry. Somebody who may not have the benefit of going to a recognized test pilot school. It's a year of your life. It costs over $1 million for one person to attend. So not everybody gets the benefit of that education. I wanted to condense some of those most important principles into this course. I've attached some additional reading material and some reference items for you to use as you go about whatever flight test program you're a part of. So I encourage you to download those, take a look at them, feel free to distribute them. Thank you again for registering. Here's Flight Test 101.